Hi guys, hope you're doing great. You're having a great day. In this session, let's get started. In this session, we're going to be talking about something different, something new that we have not seen yet. So that's nothing but for each, right? So for each. So what exactly is for each? Plus we will also mix up certain more things. I think we will do a lot of lab today. So let's get started. So instead of explaining theoretically, let me show you with an example. So what we will do is first, in order to demonstrate the for each, let me, what I want to do, I'll tell you very simple. There is a folder, right? A folder is there. I want to list down all the files that are there in the folder and I want to show all of that in the output. Very simple. To do that, first what we need to do is we need to choose something called a select folder. So select folder, that's the first thing. And what I'll do is I'll create a variable. So variable, I will just say folder name, right? So and this one I will just say folder name. Very simple, right? And I'll make it as a start node. Simple, right? Now I will add something called as assign. So what I want to assign, I want to assign, you will see, just connect this stuff here. Okay, so I will create one more variable called as the file list, right? And I want to store the list of files into that variable. So one more thing you need to learn is how to create variables. You already know, you can go ahead and click on this and create variables. That is one way to do it. You can also do it here, right click and say create variable. That's the second way to do it. The third one, you would have already guessed it, that is called as control K. Can you see this control K? So using that also you can do it. So whatever you like it, you do it. So let me just create it here. I will just say list, file list, just say file list. Now the file list is a list. It's not a single string, so it's an array. Okay, so that's the difference between string and array. String is a single thing, okay, the string or text. Array is a group. So let's just choose array and it will ask you either array of what, array of integer, array of string, array of what. So just choose array of string. Okay, array means, again I'm telling you, 1 2 3 4 10 11. You can store multiple values. That's it. You will understand. Now you will understand. Okay, now let me say file list. Okay, so now we'll do something different. So just go ahead and say directory dot. Okay, what do we want to do? We want to get the files, right? So just say get files, and in the bracket you need to provide this folder name, right? That is nothing but so folder name. So simple, done. So now we are going to implement the for each, right? So what we want to do, we want to loop all the values that are there in the file list and just display it in the output, right? So for each, go here, say for each and connect it. And what do I want to do here? I will say for item in what? Item in what? Item in file list, right? So item in file list, then see the item in file list and just say just use write line. What will it do? It will write a message to the output. Okay, and I will just write item. So throws an error because the data type is different, so you just convert it to string. Okay, simple. Save it now. Now go back to the flowchart. So that's it guys, pretty much. Let's just run it and see how it works. So run it and it is asking me, can you see here, it is asking me sorry, 1 minute. It's a little bit strange. Okay, can you see here, it is asking me to choose a folder. Let's just choose let's go to C folder and choose something. Let me go to C here. So C, Then just go to program files. Okay, that's it. Just say okay, right? So it's done. Surprised? So where is the output? Where is the output? To see the output, you click on here, output. Okay, and second. 1 second, just execute it one more time. Just say, let's just say PP tool, blue prism tool, and see the output. Okay, all right. Now this time you can see here, it just shows me all the stuff here. So well, this is about blue prism, right? So we will. I have created a separate video series for blue prism. You can check out there. Okay. So that's it. Can you see here listing? So that's it, guys. That's what for each is. So you understood why do we use for each? It's nothing but if there is an array and if you want to loop over the array, then we use the for each. It's more of a like for loop that you have in C language, right? It's very simple. That's it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you all.